How to fix GTA 5 legacy not launching due to Xinput file conflict. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we delve into a critical issue plaguing Grand Theft Auto V legacy players: the inability to launch the game due to an Xinput file conflict, often exacerbated by anti-cheat systems like BattlEye and intricate account synchronization challenges, particularly when integrating with platforms like FiveM. This deep dive guide is engineered to provide comprehensive, professional solutions, focusing on the Xinput 14 DLL file, which frequently interferes with game integrity checks and anti-cheat mechanisms, leading to abrupt crashes or startup failures. The problem often manifests as a blocked loading of file, Xinput 14 DLL error preventing seamless access to the game. Let's begin troubleshooting this pervasive issue with meticulous precision. Isolate and relocate Xinput files. The most direct solution involves locating and moving the Xinput DLL files, specifically Xinput 13 DLL, Xinput 14 DLL, or Xinput 910 DLL from your GTA V game directory. These files are frequently associated with modding frameworks like ScriptHookV or older controller input emulation software, and can be flagged by BattlEye or other anti-cheat systems. Create a new folder outside the game directory, perhaps on your desktop, and move these files there to prevent their execution during game launch without deleting them permanently. Verify game file integrity. Utilize the game launcher's built-in file verification tool, whether Steam or Epic Games, to scan for corrupted or missing game files. This process compares your local game files against the server's clean versions, automatically redownloading and replacing any discrepancies, which can resolve issues caused by corrupted installations or residual mod files. This step ensures the core game installation is pristine, free from unintended modifications. Temporarily disable antivirus/firewall. Security software can sometimes falsely identify legitimate game files or processes as threats, leading to blocking or quarantine actions that prevent GTA V from launching. Temporarily disable your antivirus program and Windows firewall before attempting to launch the game, then re-enable them after confirming if this was the root cause. If the game launches, consider adding GTA V and its related executables, like GTAV, EXE Play GTAV, EXE Rockstar Service, EXE to your security software's exclusion list. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a common cause of game launch failures and performance issues. Access your GPU manufacturer's official website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, to download and install the latest stable drivers for your specific graphics card model. A clean installation, often an option within the driver installer, is recommended to remove any problematic residual files. Run GTA V as administrator. Elevated permissions can resolve various launch issues by ensuring the game has the necessary access rights to system resources and files. Navigate to your GTA V installation directory, right-click on GTAV, EXE and play GTAV. EXE, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Apply these changes and attempt to launch the game. Reinstall BattlEye manually. If BattlEye is interfering, a manual reinstallation might resolve its conflict with Xinput or other game files. Navigate to the BattlEye folder, typically located within the game's installation directory or C, /program files, x86, /common files, /BattlEye, run the uninstaller if available, then relaunch the game to trigger an automatic reinstallation or run the setup executable manually. Ensure no conflicting processes are running during this process. Update DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables. GTA V relies heavily on up-to-date versions of DirectX and Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Download and install the latest versions of these components directly from Microsoft's official website. Corrupted or outdated versions can lead to graphical errors or prevent the game from initializing correctly, manifesting as a launch failure. Ensure Windows OS is fully updated. An out-of-date Windows operating system can lack critical fixes and compatibility improvements essential for modern games. Access Windows Update through your system settings and ensure all available updates, including optional ones, are installed. Restart your computer after any major updates to apply changes effectively. Disable conflicting background applications. Certain background applications, especially overlays, like Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, Xbox Game Bar, or resource-intensive software, can conflict with GTA V or its anti-cheat. Before launching, use Task Manager to close any non-essential programs running in the background. Systematically test launching the game after closing specific applications to identify the culprit. Clear game cache and local data. Corrupted game cache files can lead to a myriad of launch problems. For GTA V, this might involve clearing temporary files or specific configuration data. Navigate to Documents /Rockstar Games /GTA V and backup, then delete the settings. XML file. Additionally, clear your web browser cache if you're experiencing social club login issues, as it can sometimes store conflicting data. Reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher. A corrupted or outdated Rockstar Games Launcher installation can prevent GTA V from starting. Uninstall the Rockstar Games Launcher through Add or Remove Programs in Windows Settings, then download and install the latest version from the official Rockstar Games website. This ensures the launcher itself is not the source of the launch failure. Check FiveM account synchronization. For FiveM users experiencing account synchronization errors, ensure your Rockstar Games social club account is properly linked and not simultaneously logged into another session. FiveM often requires a dedicated social club session. If issues persist, try logging out and back into social club directly or clearing FiveM's local application data, typically found in %localappdata %\FiveM. Test with a different social club account. If the issue persists specifically with account synchronization, try launching GTA V with a different Rockstar Games social club account, if available. This helps isolate whether the problem is with your specific account data or a broader system/game installation issue. If another account works, investigate your primary account status, linked services, or potential suspensions. Create a new Windows user profile. A corrupted Windows user profile can sometimes cause application launch failures due to permission issues or corrupted registry entries. Create a new local administrator account in Windows Settings and attempt to launch GTA V from this new profile. If the game launches successfully, your original user profile might be corrupted, warranting further investigation or migration. Disable Steam Overlay if applicable. The Steam Overlay can sometimes conflict with games, particularly those with complex anti-cheat systems or external launchers like GTA V's Social Club. In your Steam library, right-click on GTA V, select Properties, and uncheck Enable the Steam Overlay while in-game. This simple step can often resolve unexpected launch or performance issues. Examine game logs for specific errors. GTA V and the Rockstar Games Launcher often generate log files that can contain specific error messages or crash reports. Look for these logs in the game's installation directory or your Documents /Rockstar Games /GTA V folder. Analyzing these files can pinpoint the exact DLL, process, or system component causing the launch failure, guiding more targeted troubleshooting. Verify system resource availability. Ensure your system meets the minimum and recommended specifications for GTA V and that sufficient RAM and CPU cycles are available. Close all unnecessary applications using Task Manager to free up resources. Insufficient resources can lead to launch failures, especially if the game struggles to allocate necessary memory or processing power during initialization. Run System File Checker, SFC. Corrupted Windows system files can profoundly impact game and application stability. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scano, then press Enter. This utility scans for and restores corrupted Windows system files, which might be indirectly causing GTAV's launch issues by affecting core system components. Check Compatibility Mode settings. Ensure GTAV is not inadvertently running in an incorrect compatibility mode. Right-click on GTAV, EXE and play GTAV, EXE go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab. Uncheck any boxes under Compatibility Mode unless specifically instructed otherwise by official troubleshooting guides. Incompatible settings can prevent modern games from launching on current operating systems. Perform a clean reinstallation of GTAV. As a last resort, if all other troubleshooting steps fail, a complete and clean reinstallation of GTAV might be necessary. This involves uninstalling the game, manually deleting any remaining game folders, including in documents /Rockstar games, and then reinstalling the game from scratch. This ensures a completely fresh and uncorrupted installation. Addressing GTA 5 legacy launch failures due to Xinput conflicts demands a systematic approach, often involving careful inspection of game files, anti-cheat interactions, and system configurations. By meticulously applying these professional solutions, you can effectively diagnose and resolve the underlying issues, restoring your ability to dive back into the vast world of Los Santos. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.